What would Thailand be without its artistry, pristine beaches, wildlife, and stunning temples? Its capital, Bangkok, offers delicious street food, markets at every turn, and of course, the tuk-tuk, the unofficial symbol of the Southeast Asian nation.
ครับเป็นชุดที่วัยรุ่นชอบเสียงดังๆเป้านี่คือพ่อดัดแปลงไงแต่ลุงไม่ชอบแบบนั้นลุงชอบเงียบๆคุยกับผู้โดยสารรู้เรื่องไง
มันเป็นเอกลักษณ์ของประเทศไทยไปแล้วนะผมว่าไอ้ตุกๆดั้งเดิมมันก็ควรจะมีไม่ควรจะสูญหายไป
But as iconic as the roaring two-stroke oil injection engine may be, the technology hasn't been updated for nearly half a century and contributes to air pollution in Bangkok. But now, about 300 new electric tuk-tuks on Bangkok streets are helping to change that. Udon Lokam is 48 and has worked as a tuk-tuk driver for over 10 years.
คือขับตุกๆธรรมดามันก็ต้องคอยผัดเปลี่ยนเกียร์ต้องคอยเปลี่ยนเกียร์มันก็ลำบากนิดนึงตรงที่ว่าเราจะต้องเข้าเกียร์1เกียร์2เกียร์3เกียร์4ซึ่งเป็นตุกๆไฟฟ้ารุ่นใหม่เนี่ย
The clean engine isn't the only change. The entire booking system is now controlled via an app. The clean riding carts are made for 6 passengers rather than just 3, so there's more legroom and a higher ceiling.
Our service is a sharing concept. It means that we want to get people who go in the same way, get in the same vehicles and go together. By doing that, people will pay less on this one because they share the cost of the travel.
Commuters can pay as little as just 30 cents for a ride, with the price rising in tandem with the distance travelled and time.
ก็อยากเปลี่ยนบางอย่างที่มันทำลายสิ่งแวดล้อมให้มันดีขึ้นนะคะเพราะว่ามันจะได้ดีต่อโลกเราด้วยเราจะได้ไม่ต้องมาดมความเหม็นๆหรือว่าใช้รถที่มันแพงเกินอะไรอย่างเงี้ยค่ะ
Move Me, the on-demand ride-sharing service, plans to have 1,000 electric tuk-tuks on the streets by next year, including in other major cities in Thailand.
We have served like 3 million passenger trips already, and we have saved like 800 tons of CO2 emission, comparing that equally to 6 acres of forest.
The inspiration for the first tuk-tuk came from Japan in the late 1930s. It's almost as if they were designed to be electric from the start. Since they are so light, the battery lasts much longer than that of an electric car. But their quietness can be a problem.
อันนี้มีแน่นอนครับเพราะว่าความเงียบก็คือความอันตรายของรถบางทีเราขับตามตูดแม่ค้าอย่างเงี้ยแม่ค้าเขาอาจจะไม่ได้ยินเสียงซึ่งเราก็ต้องระมัดระวังเป็นพิเศษอยู่แล้ว
Some fuel-powered tuk-tuks will likely remain as tourist attractions. Many tuk-tuk drivers agree, but they will soon be outnumbered by electric vehicles.
แต่เราหากินมาเนี่ยหากินเนี่ยกับตุกๆนั่นแหละมาหลายปีแล้วขับรถตุกๆมาถึงมากกว่า30กว่าปีนะวันหนึ่งว่าถึง500-500เลย
The good news, says Move Me co-founder Supapong Kitiwatanasak, is that the tuk-tuk has become more attractive for locals, which has a positive effect on the entire industry.
The mobility change. Like before that, they think like if you sit in something is not air conditioned, it's very hot. And air condition is very luxury. But after COVID, something fresh air, which they perceive as more healthy.
If you're a tourist visiting Bangkok's palaces and temples on a tuk-tuk, the app is also available in English, which has several advantages.
You don't have to deal with like language barriers. In the same time, if you tell you directly through the app that how much you have to pay, and everything is cashless, that's hassle-free.
The alternative is endless haggling, so always follow the golden rule. agree on the price in advance, and then sit back and enjoy the ride stress-free. Go on a tour of splendid temples. Or feed the fish on the Chao Phraya River. Whatever you do, don't forget to tip your driver. Whether day or night, through busy streets or to your favorite street food stall, you'll have a blast riding a tuk-tuk in Thailand.